I just automated computer research with Claude plus Apify MCP Server. Now I can scrape any viral TikToks, tweets, or LinkedIn winners, all with a single prompt within Claude Desktop, getting all the data and analyzing for top performing content. This is about marketing. 15 minutes to set up. That's it. 15 minutes to build a system that replaces hours of manual research every single day, while your competitors are still copying and pasting content into spreadsheets. You're analyzing thousands of posts with a one prompt. This isn't just automation. This is how one person now can outperform entire marketing teams in just like vibe coding, turn 8-week projects into 2 days. Vibe marketing is making traditional marketing teams obsolete. If you're new here, I'm Jun. I'm building multiple SaaS projects and AI agency as a solo founder. I use AI to replace what I used to take entire teams, and I share everything I learned so you can do the same. If you're ready to 20x your marketing output with this Apify, hit subscribe, my YouTube and my newsletter, and let's dive in. So what is the definition of vibe marketing? Everyone may have different definition, but I think vibe marketing is building an AI system that runs your entire marketing operation through orchestrated intelligence. You connect AI agents that discover vital patterns, uncover untapped opportunities, and execute a campaign autonomously, and even generate leads, outreach campaign, everything with the help of AI. So I alone can outcompete marketing teams of 10 or more. I think Vibe acronym I can explain like this. V is vertical integration, one system control all the marketing layers. And I, intelligence, it catches patterns across all the channels. So it finds the viral formats to replicate existing success or find untapped opportunities so you can capitalize before competitors do. And B as build, it means constructs auto-running marketing system in the end. And E, evolutionary, it learns, improves over time. So our end goal is to create an AI system that runs marketing teams for your business without adding much headcount. So I hope you understand a core idea of vibe marketing, and let me show you why Apify can be a fair advantage. Through many experiments, Apify offers many scraping tools, many great scraping tools. One of them is Apollo Scraper, TikTok Scraper, Instagram Ads. All those you can do with this one tool. And if you look at the pricing, it's just $39 per month, and you can scrape a lot. Many times I can't even consume all the credits I have. And also you can use Apify right now. Like I said here, you can use Apify MCP Server, and you can connect to your Claude Desktop, or you can use Apify API, so you can generate code, or you can do directly in the console too. Apify can be one of your best ROI for marketing tools, so I highly recommend it. And let me show you how you can configure Apify MCP Server in Claude Desktop. So configuration setup is pretty easy. First, go to Apify console and come to here settings and click API and integration. And here create, I already have my Apify token, but if you don't have it, create a new token and save a copy here and don't share with others. And coming back to Claude Desktop here, the Claude Desktop, and I'm on the Mac, so Command Comma, and go to developers, and I have many MCP servers already, but add a configuration, and you can open in your VS Code or any other coding tools, and I open it up here, and then it looks like this way. MCP server, this is just JSON files, and here actor MCP servers, and command is mpx, and here argument is MCP server, and you can list out actors here. So for me, I use the Twitter scraper, Instagram scraper, TikTok scraper, and here LinkedIn profile things, and also make sure to have this one. And in the next line, you have that EMB, and here you have to paste your Apify token you just created here. I just redirected it for security reason, but here copy and paste it here. And how you can know this MCP server is properly connected, you just need to quit Claude and open it again. And here, this one, search and tools, And then if you can see actor MCP servers here, I have many tools. And here, Twitter scraper, Instagram scraper, TikTok, LinkedIn here. If you can see these, you successfully connected. Okay, so this is the configuration part. So now we're ready to use Apify for your Vibe marketing. And let me show you a few examples that might help you right away. So first thing is to scrape tweets from influencers or experts from your niche. So if I open up my here, in this right extension I just created for my new business, I can see I can register all the influencer and competitors and experts in my own niche, and I can enhance networking a lot easier with AI. But anyway, let's say this guy is delivering a lot of value in AI. And I tried to catch up with him, but many times he posted a lot. So it's so hard to catch up with his speed. So instead of getting stressed, I'll do here. And I say using Apify tools to scrape his latest tweets. Let's do this simple prompt. And as you can see, Claude is trying to use the actor we register here and allow once. Great. Now, try to use this actor that we just registered and allow once again. And here, max items 10, sort latest, and you can change it to top if you want. Here, I've successfully scraped the 10 latest tweets from this guy. And here, original tweets. And not only shows the scraped tweets, it also say he has this over 400K followers and appears to be focused on AI enterprise technology adoption. And it just gave me 5, initial 5, and yes, scrape the rest 5. And we have to wait a little bit more. Waiting 5 tweets here. So here is a summary. I didn't even ask the summary of it, but I really liked it because Claude now retrieves 10 tweets and he said, oh, here is his main hooks here, this guy literally. And if we come back to Chrome, he said he literally do something. See, this guy literally builds a mobile app from scratch in 1 hour. This guy. So this hooks works, but if you don't like it, you don't have to use it. But the way he set up for his content is he focused on concise and immediate value delivery, like a rapid result, like in an hour, within 20 seconds. So if this guy is from your niche, definitely you can refer him for your next video content. From here, we can do a bit more top 3 content out of this 10. Now we just scraped 10, so it doesn't really matter. You can quickly skim through, but what if we have 100 content? Then this prompt becomes really effective. What is top 3 content out of 100? Now we can see the patterns and maybe untapped opportunities too. Here's his top 1 is this one. If you look at his, like a lot of likes, views, could you show me the link so I can open from here? What if I want to see the original content from here? It gives me the URL too here. So let me see. Open link here. This one went viral too. And this one, Jeff Bezos principles too. And here. And then if you use like OCR2, you can quickly extract text and use this text for your next content or part of your content. I always like to use other content or hooks structure as an inspiration, not just directly copy and pasting. Always add your own tone and style. And another funny thing is you can tabulate. Can you tabulate this data with metrics, text and metrics? Now, the beautiful things happens. Say it shows type, content, and metrics here. And then if you want, you can ask Claude again to save into JSON file or CSV file for further analysis. So far, we've only scraped at tweets from one person. And for more analysis, I actually scrape from another one for 30 items. And here, if you look at this one, I have 10 tweets from the first author and then 27 tweets from this author. And the reason why I share these is these two guys post completely different format in X. One guy is very concise and always deliver value immediately with other people's examples. And this guy on the other end always lay out the depth analysis or very detailed long threads format. And both of them are very successful on X. So we can extract their success patterns and we can replicate our success too here. In the strategy insights, I didn't even ask in the prompt, but Claude gave me this one. Demonstration worked really well, rapid results really well, and single impactful tweets worked well, and comprehensive drafts worked well too. And we can apply these rules to our text-based content too. And the next example is how we can find patterns in media-based platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. And I will show you how we can extract data from Instagram first. So using Apify, get 10 posts from this profile. All at once. And we'll use Apify Instagram scraper, and we'll use this one. Allow once again. So Claude successfully added 10 Instagram posts from this Benjamin. And now if you look through, we have 10 tweets from the first author and 27 tweets from the second author and another 10 Instagram posts from third author. And then interesting part is here captions, and also it shows engagement strategy here. I didn't even ask again, but comment AI CTA or personal humor here, comment AI CTA. And here, if you look at the data here, there are a ton of comments here. So we can see in Instagram, comment AI or adding specific CTA works really well. So this is basically lead magnet. And your combined top performer comparison and key insight tweets Instagram mixed up sponsor AI content. This, like I said, strategy works. This CTA strategy works. And patterns and monetization, content mix here, professional. This is not complete, but it gives a Kickstarter. So we have now general idea how we should write in X or Instagram or other platform. And now, based on this one, I will use another prompt to generate a strategic plan for your content for next 14 days. So could you create a strategic plan for my content for the next 14 days based on these data? I want to do A/B testing to test out hoops, structure, CTA, formats, tones, etc. with my niche. Yeah, automation, agents, Vibe marketing. Also create content calendar too. Let's see, this is my first time to run this prompt. Okay, now Claude completes their full strategic plan for next 14 days. And let me show you, I will skim through a lot, but let me show you the important part. Here, I said I want to do A/B testing, and it showed me how I should do A/B testing for different elements in content, hook, structure, CTA, tone. And we can do from, this one is from the first author, and this one is from the third author. And content structure, dress format. This one is from the second author who lays out all the detail and in-depth analysis and video links. This one is from the Instagram to carousel. And CTA variation, we can ask, if you reply with certain keywords, we'll send you lead magnets or messages or important guys. Or we can ask, like, retweet if this sounds helpful to you. And tone testing too, you can try always professional, casual, or educational. I always like to go with educational and professional tone to build my authority. And here, 14-day content calendar. And you can try, I wouldn't try all of these, but the basic idea is gives a plan we can start with here. And Instagram, Twitter, Thread. It goes all the way down here. I'll skip this part. And here, the most important thing is you have to centralize your data pulling from different platforms so that you can always keep track of metrics and you can define success or failure or iteration for the next time. And here, and of course, in this five marketing series, I will share how you can save all of your data into a single source with NaN or other basic code. In here, testing schedule and templates. Oh, I like it. It even gives me templates, so you can save this one into your notes and you can use this one or try to adjust your content to format this way. Instagram Reels too. And conversion strategy. Even it gives me funnel, basic funnel strategy. And I would pass this one, pass here. So if you like it, you can copy it, or if you don't like it, you can refine further based on your needs. But within just a few minutes, so far, we've scraped the data from multiple sources, Twitter, Instagram, and you can add more, and then you can save it into your sources, and we create a basic strategic plan for your content. And since this framework is based on what was already successful, so you have higher chances of making your content more successful. And then I want to come back to this one here. And the idea for this use case is you have your own content pillar, you have your own data for your performance and patterns. And then you also now have, with these Apify Claude Desktop, you have their content pillar, their performance, their patterns. And now all you need to do is the pattern matching. if you have low performance thing, try to match to successful formats. If you already have successful one, try to replicate again and test out further with A/B testing framework. So that's the idea of how you can use Claude Desktop, Apify, and enhance your content.